5 easy tips for your road tax installation. Renew your road tax and insurance. Many young people are unaware that road tax and car insurance are two different things. Yes, you! Insurance serves to protect you against financial loss in the event of accident or theft, while road tax functions as something like a license for your car. So you need both of them. Vroom vroom, vroom. Do not stick directly onto your windshield. Our wonderful weather will fry your road tax like a bonito flakes. Unless you are selling your car and you would like to torture the next owner. Bye! Use sticker decal. No brainer. Boom! Easily the best tip ever. Oh, by the way, stick it facing outwards, not inwards. Abang JPJ will not entertain this kind of joke, you know. Tape it again. If you are not driving a moving refrigerator like a Proton, the chances are your road tax might crumble due to our extreme 89 degrees Celsius weather. Easy fix. Stick on transparent tape behind your road tax, but don't overdo it. Removing glue stains. Use your hand sanitizer and splash on it, baby. This list works too. Alang-alang you are cleaning, let's just clean the entire windshield. Yikes! Alright, that's all the 5 tips road tax installation. Drive safe, and Abang JPJ said, renew your road tax and compare by MyEG. Bye!